Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important point is discuss here. This body is a shock absorber. Okay, this body is a final product of shock absorber, and this very useful and helpful automobile engine. And this body is very useful, helpful, and how to this body is designed. And this is a final product, a shock absorber, and this is a four part is a divide, first part and second part and third and fourth, and all part is one by one is discussed here, and last is a assemble all parts, and this is a final product is represent here. Okay, and today discuss here of for this is a first part is nut design, and this use a nut, and this is a thread, and all 2D geometry is available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And this is the first part, and this is the second part, and all is a use a four part is discuss here, but today discuss here only one part, and all 2D geometry is defined here easily and clearly. And this is a front view, and this is a top view. And front view is this is a diameter is 52 millimeter, and this is a 24 millimeter. Okay, this both dimension, and this is a upper is a 29 millimeter diameter, and this thickness is 9 millimeter, and this upper thickness is this is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and this is inclined angle is 50-degree angle, and this cutout is a this. Okay, and this body is a design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a nut, this is a nut design, and this very useful and helpful use a part of a shock absorber. And last is a lecture is this body all is body is a assemble here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. At first select a part, and part is some setting is very useful. And okay, going to image quality, and image quality is very high because all geometry is a all line is a clearly show here. Okay, okay, all is perfect. Okay, at first select this is a use this. Okay, select a plane is a top plane, and sketch normal. At first drawing a two circle is draw here, first circle and second circle, and mention this diameter is 52 millimeter and 24 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and both diameter, and use a extrude boss, and extrude boss is thickness is a 9 millimeter. Okay, 9 millimeter is perfect, and all is a correct, and click OK. This is a perfect, and select this face, sketch normal, and draw again a circle is drawing here this, and this diameter is a 29 millimeter. Okay, and this diameter is 29 millimeter, and this thickness is a 1 millimeter. And select this inner line, and use a convert entities, because two line is this distance is a this distance is a extrude, and use extrude boss, and use isometric view. Okay, this is isometric view, and this thickness is 1 millimeter, and okay. Okay, Okay, this is a perfect. And next line is this is a cutout is drawing here, and select this face sketch normal, and draw a at first draw a center line. Center line is this is a use a midpoint, and okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And this is a horizontal line and this is a vertical line is also correct, and draw a circle. Circle is this, and again click a line to select this to this. Okay, again select a line, and this line is this to this. Okay, and use a mirror entities and select this and mirror about this. Okay, click OK, and trim entities is this is a trim here. Okay, and smart dimension is perfect. Okay, this use this radius is 2 millimeter, and this angle is 60 degree, and this length is a this center point, and this center is a 20 millimeter is perfect. Means this center point is a distance is 20 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a 2 millimeter, and angle between this to this is a 60 degree angle is perfect. Okay, okay, and all is perfect. And next is a use here use this linear pattern, and pattern is okay, use a circular pattern, and one by one is all is select here. Select this, and okay, one point is missing here, and at first select this use a convert entities, and all next point is a this is a delete here. Okay, all is perfect, and then all is correct, and then use a circular pattern, and circular pattern is this. Okay, and use this is a pattern is 12. Okay, and this use a 360 degree equal spacing, and this use a 12, and display instance about all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all. Click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And last is a use a this is a incline a 15 degree, then use a plane. At first select a plane. Plane is a okay, this is a front plane. Select sketch normal, and select a line. Line is a this to this, and the vertical line, and click this. Okay, and this line, and press a control button and click this line. Select and use a collinear. Okay, and some this angle is a 15 degree angle. Okay, and this inclination is 15 degree, and center line is draw here, because this use a revolve cut. Okay, center line is perfect, and use a revolve cut, and this is a perfect. Okay, revolve cut is apply here, and this inclination, okay, this is a 15 degree is cut here. Okay, all is perfect. And next is a use a this use a thread, and thread is a very useful, and thread is a use a thread and easily use a first part or drawing here, and this thread is perfect, and select a okay, this thread is a perfect, and select use this part, okay, and insert this part, and going to this part is drawing here. At first drawing this second part, and this top rod, and this top rod is one by one is a lecture is drawing here, okay. Next lecture is this is a drawing here, and at first select this top rod and select okay, okay, and this mention here this locate part with move and copy feature, and this is a check here and click ok. Some slow work here, okay. But this point is this is a perfect, and some part is this thread is use this thread is cut here inside here, but this is a move, okay, this move is not working here. Then use a translate and use a y-axis, and y-axis is a this is a use this, okay, and this 10 millimeter is this move upward, but this is a move downward. Then use a -10 is perfect, okay, and then -15 millimeter is perfect, and click ok, and then this thread is cut here easily and perfectly. Some slow work is all process is working here, okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and this part is cut here, but this is a subtract this body. Then use a again select a insert and feature, and use a combine, going to combine and use a subtract, and this main body is this, and subtract this body, and body to continue, and select this body, and this body is a subtract here, and click ok, okay. This is a perfect, and this thread is also okay, and all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, and this thread is also easily locate here, okay, and some color is a use a polished brush color, and this is a perfect, and this lecture is a perfect, and next lecture is also one by one is all 4 lecture is, and last is a assemble is this body, and then final is a shock absorber is complete here, okay. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.